Hey guys, what's up? It's the man that feels like HCO2 here, and I just entered a boss fight in King Grand Prix and just looked at what I found. My opponent's still using Muscle Climb Mastery 2 months, not 2, but sub 2 months before it's getting released, which is in August. Like literally, just take a look in this gameplay. Now let's see. Yep, that's kanga equipped with nitro right there that you see. So if I can beat it. I did get Hot Rod Mastery. Just now we posted a little short of that. And a community post. There's a little. Man, my stomach. Oh no. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose. Oh, wait a second. Wait, actually I was wrong. Oh, well, I actually believe I saw him using Muscle Climb Mastery. But just before it's getting released. Oh well, good thing I'm on. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.